This meditation is on cultivating peace, certainty, and ease to start your day. Allow your eyes to close or partly close so that you can bring your awareness inside. Take this time really for yourself. Take this time to be here with you. Relax your body right where it is. Soften your face, release your brow, softly breathing your breath in and out, gently through your nose. Feel the softness of your breath and the solidity of your bones. Relax your muscles around the bones. Let your neck, sides of your neck, front of your throat, back of your neck, back of your head, all the muscles of your face and ears relax. Feel where your pelvis, your hands, and your feet meet the earth. Bring your awareness to your stomach and let your awareness be with your breath as you inhale deeply through your nose and feel your stomach rise to receive the breath. And then as you exhale, the breath softly is expelled through your nose. Rest one hand on your abdomen and one hand on your heart. Allow the practice to be about coming home to the safety of your own skin and bones and breath. Like a gentle dove breathing in through your nose, soft and easy, and exhaling as if the exhale was like a delicate flower, soft and gentle. Let any stress or strain evaporate off of your body. Feel a lightness replacing the anxiety, a lightness in the back of your head, in your shoulders, in your belly. Just being with you and feeling the connection to breath and to light. Go breath by breath. Ease, slow, soft. Soften the jaw. And explore the beautiful refuge inside of you. The steady presence, like an eternal flame, that's always there in your heart, beaming and radiating lightness and good energy. This steady presence like an ocean, it's always there, it's eternal, and it invites us to relax. Feel an openness through your chest and through your abdomen. Stay with your breath, softly witnessing the breath go in and the breath go out. And if your mind wanders, it's just a signal to bring your attention back to your gentle breath. It's just a signal. When the mind wanders, it's like a signal to calmly come back to you. Connect to that strong presence of refuge inside you and feel a letting go deep inside. Let in the ease that is already there. And notice that feeling of ease, relaxing the jaw, the face, the brow. Let the feeling of ease spread through every cell in your body, breathing in good health into your legs, your arms, your hips, your head, and your brain. Breathing in healthy ease. And recognize that you can come back to this feeling which you cultivated in your own mind and body at any time throughout the day when you need it the most. You can return to it. You can use the word ease or presence or soft or release or relax, any word that to you will indicate that you want to come back to this refuge inside of you. So as the day unfolds, take the word with you. Take with you your intention to use the word that will allow you to come back to your own beautiful presence and sanctity and sacredness within.